This is my whole world. My nurse, my mom, my sickness. I'm 18 and I've never been outside. If I did, I would probably die.
Hi, my mom sent a bunt.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Is your daughter around?
No, she isn't.
Low lights, cold nights, remember when I call you every now and then. So good that on and off again and on again. Oh.
I see you checking your email and looking for him out the window. He's kind.
You don't have to call it love.
When I talk to him, I feel like I'm outside.
He's here.
Who's here? You're really different than I thought you were gonna be.
Sexier, right? What would happen if you went outside?
Probably spontaneous combustion. Here I have HEPA filters, outsized viruses and bacteria.
Where would you go if you could?
The ocean. I've never seen it.
Have changed the way I feel.
Are you sure you feel fine?
Actually, I feel perfect.
The way I feel. I'm standing still.
Is it always like that?
It's never like that.
It's not up to you to decide what she needs. You have to go.
She was my friend.
She was supposed to keep you safe. You can't see him again.
Where else can I go? Where else can I go? Chasing you.
Dear Mom, I know staying in this house keeps me alive, but this isn't living. I want to experience everything. Everything.
Maddie, what are you doing? Go back inside.
No, Olly, I have to know if I'm really sick. And the only way that I'll know is if I'm outside.
Maddie, what's wrong?
I'm messing up your life.
My life is better with you in it.
Madeline, you're all I have left. I can't lose you.
I'm willing to sacrifice everything just to live one perfect day.
I'm ready to face it all.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.